Today I'm going to show you how to install a rear bumper protector on this 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Now let's get started. There's only a few things you're going to need for this installation, such as a tape measure, some isopropyl alcohol, a little bit of soapy water, a rag, and this supplied scraper. Now you can see here's the Ford part. It's a genuine Ford accessory, and there is the part number. And this is just the unboxing portion. Now you see they give you that supplied scraper, which will help a lot during the installation process, as well as a set of instructions. Now the bumper protector is taped onto this cardboard, which I guess helps it stay not wrinkly and stuff during shipping. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just make sure you clean up the area you're going to be placing the sticker on. So I'm using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol onto a clean microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to wipe down the bumper really quick. Now this shouldn't take very long. As you see, I'm just wiping it down, making sure any greases or oils or anything I am trying to get up with this isopropyl alcohol. Now you're also going to be applying this decal using a wet method, using soapy water, so that will also clean off the bumper a little bit too. So now all you got to do is just carefully remove the sticker from the backing cardboard, making sure and being very careful that you don't rip the sticker in the process. And as you can see, once it is off, there is a few little markings on the sticker of where you should place this decal. Now you can see there's a little center line point. There's a few little arrows here and there, and that will help you line up the sticker onto the bumper. So now, as I said, this is a wet application, so I sprayed a little bit of soapy water on the bumper, and now I'm just peeling off the backing off of this decal, being careful not to touch the adhesive part onto anything that could contaminate the surface. Now, once that is done, all you have to do is just line it up on the bumper, and the way I suggest you do it is using a reference point and a tape measure. So you make sure you get this thing exactly centered up on the bumper, and once it's on, you're not going to be able to move it. So making sure you take accurate, precise measurements of where this should be on the bumper will help you a lot in the long run. Now ultimately, the way you want this bumper protector to be positioned is you want to have a little gap around all of the edges. Now you want that gap to be even. That's why I suggest you use a tape measure to make sure you get an even gap. Now, as you can see here, I'm just driving out all the soap and water from underneath this decal because it was a wet installation. Now you can see there's some soap and a little bit of water popping up over there. Now you're just going to want to do this all around the entire bumper protector and drive out any of the water and any of the soap that may be underneath it. Any remaining soap and water that might be underneath the decal will eventually evaporate out of from underneath the decal, but right now you need to make sure that the adhesive is sticking well enough to the bumper that you can pull off this top paper. Now you can see I am really working out all the water because any little bit of water will cause the decal to pop up, just like you saw there briefly, and there I am just driving out some more water so I could pull back this decal. Now, as you can see, once it's there, you're going to see a bunch of water. You can just wipe that off. I just wiped it off of my shirt, as you can see, and as you keep on pulling back, you may have to go back and scrape down little baby areas at a time just to make sure you drive out some water from there in places you might have missed. And honestly, this installation was super quick and simple and easy, and any of the parts and tools I used in this video I will link in the description, and I hope you will check that out so you can do this correctly the first time. Now there we go, that's the final bit of paper being pulled off. You can see how even and how nice it looks on the bumper, and I can tell you from experience, it's been about a month since I put this on and this video is going up, and this bumper protector works pretty well, and it does help against scuffs and stuff. My dog likes to jump up and down off of the trunk, and his paws might scratch the plastic, but this won't scratch. However, this is a very high quality product, and even though this is a Ford genuine accessory, this accessory is made by Kay Automotive Graphics, and you could look them up and see their reputation. Now, anyways, I want to thank you guys for getting this far in the video, and I want you to leave any comments down below on any videos that you'd like to see in the future, and any comments you just have on the video in general. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thank you so much. Have a great day.